Salt to Snow, Chasing the Elements.
Enjoy my travel vlogs and check out my tutorials. I'll teach you everything that I've learned through my 30 years of adventure seeking. And I'll teach you everything to come. Check out my tutorials, where I'll walk you through step by step everything you need to do, everything you need to have, and everywhere you need to go in order to safely chase the elements.
Come on, make sure to subscribe and tell your friends Salt to Snow on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. From the oceans to the mountains, and from salt to snow.